I don't know. Here, hold on, we can think on it. Let's go up. Go! Go! I like bacon.
Anyone who retreats will be shot!
I have rushing on me.
By me! You should fear me more than the enemy!
No!
On that front line! Wait, where am I going? Back up, go!
Where the hell is our team?
Where?
We're all just camping right here. Not going that hard. Okay? Shit. Keep us quiet, yeah, we're a big tour guy. Are we retreating or are we staying? Shit, we're falling back. Back! You guys still leave me here? You guys are dicks!
I'm still gonna get shot in like 5 seconds.
I'm thinking about just going down to my green and just laying down. It's a good idea until it gets spread.
Everything was falling short. How's it going, man? How you doing?
Watch out, they're coming down right there. Are you orange? Yeah, they're orange. Alright, dude, no, we need to get a...
If you see one guy, all you fire on him. Got it?
Yeah.
If you...
We got caught off guard bad.
I just got shot in the shoulder.
Yeah, because we didn't hear him say go, go, go. No, we didn't. Oh!
You guys are like getting pinned down by your own team up there. I think if you get out, you might get lit up by that M60. Yes.
He's right behind us?
No,
He's up on the ridge further back, but same.
barrel. The wheelbarrow is my only source of cover. I put down. Grab that.
Yeah, sniping towers are never a good place to snipe from it.
No, it's not. I need someone to move up. muzzle down. That bright orange is just signaling out.
Yeah, don't go up there.
Hey. I'll straighten you. I'll cover you. Me and him will cover you. You move up there and he'll cover me as I move up. All right. 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Gilly. What's the tag? Are they just in the gas hill?